What's up, you guys? It is Dave and Aubrey from HorrorProps here, and we are here to do our first ever live unboxing. So we received this from HalloweenCostumes.com. This is a Gemmy designed Stranger Things Demogorgon prop, but the coolest part about it is Halloween Costumes revived this from basically what Lowe's and Spirit were doing before. What we do know is that the head sculpt is a latex over plastic mold, and it is way better than the old version, which of course, being the massive Stranger Things fans we are, we do have. So we're gonna show you guys how to put this thing together, how we're gonna put it together, and hopefully we won't get lost. What are we going with first?
We are going with B and C.
B and C. I got B.
And C. Yes.
I will just start putting stuff together. Do we have to put the feet on first? No.
Yes.
Always a mistake. Like I said, we are professionals. That is the wrong one.
Nope, that's the right one. Look it went right in. It's perfect.
Oh
There
yeah.
you go. See?
There we go. It went
Oh,
between
man.
his toes.
It did.
We're great at this. The leg bone's connected to the shoulder bone. Circle goes in square hole. It does work out in this case. We're like 3 steps in and it's already gone to hell.
Oh yeah.
We own another Demogorgon, mind you. We've
done this before.
We've done this before. It looks like we've never owned a single animatronic in our entire lives. So yeah, with the hips, make sure you do it at the same time. Push the pin down.
Sorry.
You got it? No, I've got it. Let me pinch my fingers.
Okay.
Wait, ready? Locked in. That's when you know it's good.
Perfect. Okay. Oh, it's the hips. And an O.
It's a thong, actually.
Okay, which one goes which way?
Do you remember? I remember this. Hello, I have 2 coconuts. Yes, there are 2 coconuts.
What is wrong with you?
You know what? Our unboxings should really just be disaster videos.
Yep.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wait. Oh.
Wow. Would you
Nope.
look at that? And then we just let it happen.
Right.
That was horrible. We're making progress onto the torso. I think I know which part is next.
No, actually, we're supposed to assemble the upper body with
How
the
is
head.
it not this piece next?
We have to put the head on.
Okay, let's do the head. This is the part that I really want to show you guys because it is a true masterpiece. I'm not kidding you. This is leaps and bounds above the old version that Gemmy made. Let's really just do a close-up here of what we got working. Every tooth is painted. That's what I love. That's what we want. The old Gemmy version, really, that was released by Spirit and Lowe's. I think it was Lowe's.
Walmart, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, it was Walmart. They had very few teeth. They just put white paint marks all over the mouth. And this is just so much better. You can feel like almost the old head inside. And they just did this new latex cover. This is great. This is truly great.
All right, let's put the head on.
Okay, well, we've been talking about repainting the old version to just give it a better appeal. And this one does not need to be touched at all. All right, let's turn that way like that. And they give you enough extra skin, if we want to call it skin, to cover up the seam, which I kind of like that too.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. After the head's on, we attach the arms, R and S.
Just find the hole.
I'm getting it.
Find the hole.
I got it. I can't really.
I'm glad you were here. I couldn't have done this myself.
I know.
This is definitely one of those animatronics that you may need a second hand with. If you've ever built like a Home Depot Inferno skeleton.
Did you get yours?
Yeah, I got mine.
Oh. Now we put it on.
Okay,
So.
well, there we go.
Wait. Ooh. All right. Well, that got it on, and its waist is on now.
I
too,
told you
so
I've done this before.
That was it.
That was easy.
Okay.
This guy is 90% forearm. Somebody needs to go to the gym.
Somebody needs to go to the gym.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay. Forearm. It's in.
Got it?
Okay. Is it on?
It will be on when you, there you go, there you go. I heard it click, that's a good sign.
That's a good sign. Okay.
All right, let's get this thing cooking.
Sensor.
Sensor works? I love that sound. It's like hyena meets coyote. The twisting back and forth motion, I love it. This is really a great prop that Halloween Costumes bought back, and it's officially licensed as well, which makes it really, really cool. Oh yeah, I love this. So thank you so much to HalloweenCostumes.com for hooking us up with this gigantic 8-foot Demogorgon. It is brought back from the dead. We're excited to put it in our home haunt. And thank you so much again. Most of this is unusable, so we're probably...
It's fine.
It's fine. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We will be doing a lot more vlogs and assembly videos and also build montages of our home haunt coming up this year. So if you're a first time here, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dave. This is Aubrey from HorrorProps. We appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much.